All right, I've kind of shown this in a few of the other um, screencasts I've done explaining Workspace, but I was just going to do one on its own here about creating cards. Each one of these little, I guess I originally want to call them tiles, but each little box here we get is called a card within Workspace. Um, and obviously each card is for different items. We talked about doing a simple workspace. We talked about the evidence card. Okay, this is what the students create and do for you. This is what gets turned in. Nothing else really is going to be turned in. So when you add an evidence card, what's meant for that is obviously a card for some sort of item that students are going to complete. So again, you can, if you have groups, you can set it up for specific groups. You can share a document, whatever that might be. Um, Then rubrics, obviously we all know what rubrics are. So here, this card is again meant to be a rubric, a way to show students how they'll be graded. You can embed again here, okay, and they all run basically the same. So there's a title, it's a description for students. If you're setting up groups, you'll see your group colors, and then you'll get to decide whether you're going to do a Google Drive document or item or a link. So that is for rubrics. Resources are for things students can use to complete the activity. I use this a lot for links, so I might add links. Use this link to complete your work, and then I might add down here, here's a link that I just have checked in here. This is a Kahoot link. Okay, so if I wanted that for all the groups, I'd leave them all colored. If I wanted to not share it with a group, I might uncheck the colors, whatever it might be. And then you just save it, and the students would have the link right there to use for their project. Then the goals, again, we looked at when we were doing the groupings, but here you can add student objectives, I can statements, whatever it might be. Okay, and that's creating cards.